Hello, good afternoon. Can you tell
We
me?
are selling sweet health. Ingredients we have sweet pepper, carrot, cucumber, and ginger. Straight from the juice, and no additive, no sugar, just natural.
Okay.
So I'm here. I'm going to give you a sample so you can try $300 bottle if you want any.
Alright. Why you came up with this idea?
Well, Miss Bear told us about this event. So we say, wonder what we're going to do. We are from the place of St. Elizabeth where we have fresh, nice vegetable. So we say we have to come out of the box. Want everything with people. So we come out with the idea, say, we make one little drink. So we did it, we talk. So we wonder what kind of ingredients we are going to use. We don't want to make no pineapple drinks. We don't want to make not with sugar. We just want to make something healthy. So we come out with the idea that we are going to use pineapple and carrot and cucumber. Then we say no, that sweet pepper is very nice in juice and it's kind of silent. You're not really tasting it, but it's in there. That sweet pepper is good for the body, and that we don't really use no sugar, as you say, straight from the juicer. So that it's very healthy.
Okay. Right, and you said that you're gonna give me a sample.
Yes, miss, we're going to give you a sample. So.
People, I'm gonna tell you the truth. I'm gonna be honest, okay? So if it
Okay, so
tastes
let
bad,
me shake it up. Shake. All right.
okay.
Nice sample. So.
Alright, so this is what she gave me. This a little bit of sample here. So let me see.
So we have someone here who is making a duck out of a towel. Now imagine.
So what you're tasting the carrot, you're tasting the pineapple or the cucumber. Tell me what you're tasting.
Right here in Mandela.
I am actually tasting, and who is this? I am actually tasting everything that you said here. That is here. I'm tasting the carrot, indeed. I'm tasting the ginger. I'm tasting the cucumber.
So out of 10, how much are you giving me and my juice?
To be honest, knowing that I am a herbalist, I love this. I love this. It's really, really good. Can you show me the bottle again, please?
Thank you so much.
Is it in the store, is it?
No. This is our first making and label.
Okay.
So if we sell off and a lot of people like it, we might come out more with it from Treasure Beach Heart,
Okay, so how can I find you guys though?
We are located in Treasure Beach. St. Elizabeth at Breads. So if you like the juice, we don't have any card, but we can give you a number for the time being.
Okay.
So this is it.
Alright.
And you like it?
Yes, I do.
Very
Yes,
nice.
I do. Tastes really good. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.